Hey everybody, it's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, and we're looking at the open frame of the Tyco uh, Superpower C630 diesel locomotive in Santa Fe colors. And I thought the only thing missing from this model were the handrail stanchions and the handrails and the couplers and the coupler boxes. See, no coupler, no coupler box. You can't really tell there's no coupler box, but trust me, it's not there. So, I've watched some videos, people take this apart. This is not a friendly design to take it apart. Everything that's in here is kind of like pressed in, meaning it's snapped in. And I've seen some really great modelers and train guys online try to take this off, and stuff snaps off, meaning it breaks. So I'm not that keen on doing that myself because this happens to be running quite well. So I put oil where I could, and I'm going to leave it at that. It's running well. I'm going to use the old adage: if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But what I also realize is missing, after watching a great video from this fellow called Darth Santa Fe, there's no weight here. The weight is gone. Never came with the weight. So it's not, there's a central weight, but it had another weight up here. So I said, I'd like to replace it. So I've got these neat weights that come from Pine Car Derby parts. But every once in a while, something is serendipitous. I took one out, and it fits perfectly. Now that weight fits even better when you see, it doesn't want to fit in exactly, right? So you could glue it, you could do a lot of things. But guess what? If you put it in upside down, not that there really is a right side up or an upside down, but it kind of wedges itself right in. I mean, that is pretty neat. And now this thing is really heavy. I could put another one in there, but do I really have to? I think that's pretty cool. And it shouldn't interfere. So I just have to put some double adhesive tape just to kind of keep it snug in there. It's a nice counterbalanced weight. It is pretty heavy. It's still not, well, it's not really equal. My finger's really compensating. But it's still got some weight on this other drive now. And I think that's pretty good. So hey, thanks for watching, and let's see if it runs on the layout.